Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro available on your Android device? So I already installed the application what HP offer for the Plantronics headphones. It calls Backbeat. You cannot find this application in the Play Store. You need to install APK. So, this one is the application for Plantronics, as I said, and we can check available devices for this application in the app. You need to click Add New, and now if it cannot find your earbuds, you will see a button Instructions. Here we go, tap at this button, and right here we have the list with supported devices. So, right here we have our model. It means that this application available for these earbuds. So my short answer is yes. Now, if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these earbuds to the app, you can check videos at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!